Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2026 Honda Passport Trail Sport and you notice this little notch sticking out right there and you wonder what is that? Maybe you come up here and you see some fluid around somewhere. It's ultimately going to be windshield washer fluid. This is your front camera washer. Let me show you how this works. One thing to keep in mind about this is you don't have to bring your front camera up for this feature to work, but it's easier to demonstrate it this way. So we're going to push the button right here and bring up the front camera. Anytime you clean off your windshield and you run your windshield washer fluid by pulling back on this lever right here, here's what's going to happen. Not only will the windshield washer fluid spray across the windshield, but also across the front camera. That way, if you ever have a situation where it's dirty, if you've been somewhere where there's a lot of mud or dirt or just stuff's been coming up and getting on it, that's how you clean it off. But that is how your front camera washer works, and that's what that little notch that's sticking out up there ultimately is. If there is a tutorial you would like to see on the 2026 Honda Passport or any other Honda model, let me know down in the comments section and I'll make that video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.